This is Ham from the Best Flam Outdoor Show. I had some questions about solar panel installs on the 23A, which is back here. Majestic 23A, right? That RV right there. So I'm going to go up, I got a measuring tape, get the dimensions for you. What's up, folks? This is Ham from the Best Family Outdoor Show. Today, I'm going to give you guys an outline of how to set up a solar panel on a 23A Majestic RV. I got a measuring tape here, and I'm going to show you how this one is bolted on. This is a very good panel. It's 1,000 watts. So I'm going to show you how it's bolted on. If you look here, there is 1, 2, 3 screws, right? Bolts. On the other side, you can see 1, 2, and 3, right? And there's also a roof rack, which is 1 and 2, 3 and 4. And it's held on by these U brackets, okay? So I'm going to measure all these bolts that covers this one and show you an approximation of the dimensions that you're going to deal with. What I'm going to use as a measuring baseline is this plastic seal on top. This trim in the middle, right? Every RV has a trim like this in the middle. Look at the one beside me, that has one too, right there. Okay? So for the Majestic, you're definitely going to have this trim piece. So we're going to use the middle of this trim piece right here as a marker for all my measurements. So let's go. There it is. That's the first bolt. Stepping on it. Here. So we got, let's just say, let's call it 38. Yeah, about 38 roughly. So we got roughly 38 inches, like that. Now let's move it forward to the next bolt. So first bolt, 38 inches. Moving it forward. Second bolt. Alright, second bolt. It's about 64 and a little bit. Let's just pull it to 65, okay? So let's just say 65. Second bolt, 65, okay? Right there. And the last bolt over there in the corner. There you go. Now it's touching right there. Let's say, let's just call it 91, right? Right there. About right. So if I did 91, you would see that it aligns pretty good. In terms of tolerance, it should be fine, because I don't think the beam is that skinny. So let's go and measure one more piece. Because I'm thorough, here it is. From the edge of the RV going in, this panel in particular is spaced at about 8 inches in across, for gap wise, for whatever reason. And like I said on this side, it's the same thing, 1, 2, 3. So it's maybe beams going this way or this way, who knows. But now let's move on to this sport rack, alright? Literally a sport rack. The front has a bug shield and there's 4 bolts. Plus a middle piece here that's just a grommet, I think. So let's go. Same thing as the other side. Let's go and start with this guy here. Oh, sorry, let's go this way. So line up the bolt right there. Boom. So, oh, it's going in. Okay, if I leave it like that. So if you look at it, 47 inches. So 47 inches from there to that first bolt. Okay, so I did it again. I stretched it to the second bolt over there, in that corner. There's that second bolt. Going across, back up. Like that. It's at 74 inches. So you can measure 74 down across to get that bolt. And to keep it consistent, let's do the offset from the edge of the RV. Look at it. This is about a 4-inch offset from the edge, more or less. Okay, so if I draw like an approximate line here, that's about 4. Okay, there you go. So that's the bolt setup. Those dimensions should help you out a lot, I think. And if it doesn't, then you should probably, and you're not confident, you should probably get someone to do professionally, because you kind of want to have that issue. So look here, this part needs more sealant because it's cracked, so I'm gonna reseal that later today. These need to be all sealed, and that is correct. That is not good. If you look at this side, this one's doing bad. That one's cracking. So I'm gonna seal that too. I got max air roof vents. Yep, so going back down, I'll show you how the batteries are set up. Note, very important to note, the solar panel has a negative and positive going down through the fridge vent. Right? Through the fridge vent. And down. And I'll show you why it's important to show this. So here's the fridge vent, right? Here's the fridge vent. And if we go down, I'll show you what I'm talking about. There you go. What we got here is 2 6-volt battery compartments. Right? A metal plate was installed here. Normally this is either hollow or has a generator in the RV. But in this case, it's been changed to a storage compartment. You can put 2 6-volt batteries or 1 12-volt, depends how you want to hook it up. Over here, you got a breaker that trips. If I guess is ignition protection 30 amps and waterproofing. So yeah, but normally the battery would go there. But in this case, we no longer use this, and the battery's here. This part's probably hollow at this point. But yeah, no need to show this part because basically in here there's a compartment that you pull out, and that houses 1 12-volt battery, and that's stock. But after this modification, we got this. So just know that we went up there, down through the fridge, right, to the fridge, which is right there, and across, boom, to the batteries. I want to show you this part, because it's lastly I want to show you this right here, lastly. It's the MT50. There's a happy face that says it's good. It tells you things like the battery condition, 2A charge, 0.7A, solar panel, 37.4V. I don't know. It gives you a lot of detail here. You can change settings, which I really don't want to do because I don't want to screw my things up. Well, let's see what it does. Okay, let's go. Up. Load. Temperature. PV. Battery. Current 1.6. Whoa. There's even a log. Cool. Date. And that. Cool. Left, right, lets you choose things. I think. I don't know if that's moving or not. It seems like it's kind of moving. Okay, let's go down. Any difference? Nope. Escape. Okay, there's monitoring, there's device info. Cool. Going back. Down, test operation, what does that even mean? Load, test operation, load off. Okay, don't know what that is. Control parameters. Battery. Sealed. 200 AH. Temperature composition coefficient, maybe? I don't know, a compass. Negative 3 millivolts. I don't know what this is, but I'm just trying to show you what the menu has. Charge limit 15 volts. Cool. Overvolt disconnect 16. Overvolt. Equal charge. Whoa. Boost charge. Float charge. Boost rec low volt. Okay, all this stuff is extra. You don't really gotta know what that is, but I'm just showing you so that all of it is there for you to see. But anyways, that's how I have it set up. So we're currently in the Majestic 23A. This is the 2013 model. So for anyone that needs to install a solar panel, I hope this video helps you, because I tried to give you the dimensions, how the batteries are set up, and even the charge controller, okay? And just to give you an idea, here's the front driver's seat in the inside, and we were right here in the front, okay? Right there. We were right there in the front, okay? In the back. And the measuring seam is right there that I was using. So it's basically back here in this corner is the rack and the solar panel, okay? So hope to help you guys. Han from the Best Family Outdoor Show, giving you another RV install tip. And this time it's a big one. Solar panel install. Peace out.